God equation. What is God equation? Lightning is part of God equation. Did you know that? Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about God equation. This word, God equation, was popularized by Einstein. In my short video, it's my attempt to explain the new education or a little more deeper level of education which I've uncovered in my mystery in search of creator, whom I searched for and found after 14 years. So the question is, what is God equation? Scientists are working on the theory of it. It was literally, the concept was brought to light by Einstein, who had said that the universe should be able to be explained in a simple 1-inch equation, which anybody can understand. The beauty, the simplicity, the symmetry of the universe should be able to explain with that simple energy equation, or the equation, God equation, which he termed. Now, I have seen the practical side of it, and I'm going to be explaining some of the finer details of what I've uncovered with my equation. There's one problem with the God equation which scientists have. The scientist equation, and therefore Einstein equations of general theory of relativity, fails at the instance of Big Bang. There is no proof about it. Professor Kaku confirms this, that his equations breaks down at the instance of Big Bang. It fails at the instance of Big Bang. So the important thing is, why? Why does it fail at the instance of Big Bang? Big Bang is a black hole. And it fails because of infinity. Scientists cannot handle the concept of infinity with the Big Bang and black hole. Their calculations do not add up, their equations do not add up. It is my contention and discovery that science doesn't know the connection between infinity and God. And do remember, science do talk about God equation. Now I'm going to bring in another additional dimension to explain the same concept slightly differently with a newer energy equation. So what does that tell you? Something important missing in the equation, which science and physics are not privy to. Knowledge of physics has reached dead end, despite some of the best brains working on it for the last century. Proof is Planck's satellite. Science cannot see beyond Planck wall. That is a fact. There's a wall which gets in the way, beyond which science cannot see. Science cannot see to the edge of Big Bang as to what had happened, and beyond that, because of this so-called wall. The best equipment is Planck's satellite, which doesn't reach the target yet. What is the significance of this? Science is in darkness. Science does not distinguish between what I call creator equation versus God equation. Herein lies the entire mystery of what the problem is, or the root core of the problem is. Science cannot distinguish between singularity and God. Singularity is the same as original God or creator. That is my definition. And I reterm this as creator equation. If you understand the creator equation, then you will understand God equation. And until and unless one understands the difference between the two, science equations will always fail. Mathematics cannot unravel the mystery of origin of our universe. I reached the Planck wall and reached before Big Bang. How did I do that? How did I succeed with that? My approach was completely different. My scientific discovery of consciousness is the key to my further discoveries. I've made many beautiful discoveries science is still searching for. And it was this discovery of consciousness, which was the key discovery, which led to so many further discoveries. And this was possible because I made Creator. And he was Creator who has been my guide, guru, and mentor, who has been guiding me. Creator comes in my body and guides and informs me and educates me. What the science hasn't been able to discover, I've unlocked it with the help of Creator. Consciousness led me to holographic universe. We live in a holographic universe. This is an important concept to understand. Have you seen any energy? How many people have seen energy, physical energy, or any energy? It is my intention to educate the world of science and physics in particular. I have seen a variety of energies. Science are stuck with this Planck's constant, which is my fifth dimension, where God lives. And it is my discovery through the medium of quantum consciousness that I reached the Planck's dimension, in the fifth dimension where God lives. God is not Creator. That is a very important point to understand. God is an effect. Einstein's E equals mc squared is why science's God equation fails. Professor Michio is absolutely correct to talk about one God equation, which explains our universe. His recent book and recent discourses on it are quite clear. Creator is the cause. That is what science doesn't know about. Science has mixed up Creator with God. Herein lies the problem. Creator has made God. That is why science's God equation fails. If you have any queries, kindly write to me at OneOriginalGod or contact me on social media. Thank you very much.